Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you something, and just sorry for my video quality. And today I have Aprilia RS125 ROTAX 123 Gen 1 engine. This 1990 AF1 125 engine. Today I'm going to show you how to put these wheels, counterbalancing wheels, on the right timing, and how to get your right timing. Okay, let's put this out, this one also, and let's crank the wheel. Okay, first, when you take these two wheels, you can see there are one tapered side and the flat side. The both are the same with the same marking, and on the flat side there is one marking here and the other markings here. Okay, you can see that, no? One marking here and the other one marking is there. On the tapered side there is only one marking on the outer diameter, not on the inside. The both are the same. On the flat side there are two markings here and here, only one marking on the outer side there. Okay, no marks on the inside, only the outside. Okay, then on the crank side the taper side is going up, and the counterbalancing wheel, the flat side going up, the taper side is going down. There is 5 markings there, you can see 1 2 3 4, and there are this one 5. The small mark you had to align it with this one right there. Okay, just put it through. Okay, then on the crank side, on the Gen 1 engine, there is no marks in there. First you have to take the mark. First you have to unscrew this one. Okay, be careful, the washer is going to fall off. Okay, now you have to first see from that hole, and you have to align it with, there is a hole there, as you can see. I'll zoom it to you. See, when you are cranking, you can see, no, the crank is moving. To crank it from here. Okay, now there it is. That's the mark. You can put a bolt, M6 bolt, right through it. Okay, now the piston in the top dead center, exactly the top dead center, and then you have to align this marking right to the middle of the crank, and then you have to take the taper side up and align this marking with this marking right there, right here. As you can see, the markings is exactly opposite, and then you have to push the wheel downward. Okay, right there. Double check for the mark, double check for this mark, and then double check there. Yeah, they are the same. Okay, now you have to put the circlip and the crank wheel there, and put the bolt, torque it to the specific torque, and then you are good to go. If you get something from this video, put a like and share. Just subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'm going to rebuild this Aprilia RS125, one of my own, and you can see those videos later. Thank you.